What if I told you that the most powerful medicine for your brain, heart, immune system, and mental health is something you already do every single day, but millions of people still don't get enough of it? Think about this. You can survive for weeks without food. You can live for days without water. But go just a few nights without proper sleep, and your brain begins to slow. Your immune system weakens. Your emotions become harder to control, and even your heart starts feeling the effects. Sleep may look like a period of complete rest, but that's one of the biggest myths in science. While your body appears still, your brain is incredibly active. Every night, it performs a series of essential tasks that keep you alive, healthy, and able to think clearly the next day. So, what actually happens when you fall asleep? Why do we dream? And why is sleep one of the most important biological processes in the human body? Let's dive into the science. Why do we need sleep? Scientists have studied sleep for decades, and while every detail isn't fully understood, one thing is certain. Sleep is essential for survival. During sleep, your body doesn't simply switch off. Instead, it enters a carefully organized state where countless repair processes take place. Your brain sorts and stores memories. Damaged cells are repaired. Hormones are released. The immune system strengthens its defenses. Even your heart and blood vessels get an opportunity to recover from the demands of the day. Without enough sleep, these systems gradually become less efficient. The two systems that control sleep. Have you ever wondered why you naturally become sleepy at night? Your sleep is controlled by two powerful biological systems. The first is your circadian rhythm, often called your internal body clock. Located in a tiny region of the brain called the suprachiasmatic nucleus, this clock responds mainly to light. In the morning, sunlight signals your brain to reduce melatonin production and increase alertness. As evening arrives and light decreases, melatonin levels rise, preparing your body for sleep. The second system is called sleep pressure. Throughout the day, a chemical called adenosine gradually builds up in your brain. The longer you're awake, the more adenosine accumulates, making you increasingly sleepy. When you sleep, adenosine levels fall, allowing you to wake up feeling refreshed. Interestingly, caffeine works by temporarily blocking adenosine receptors, making you feel less tired without actually removing the need for sleep. The 4 stages of sleep isn't one continuous state. Instead, your brain cycles through different stages approximately every 90 minutes. Each stage has its own important role. Stage 1. Falling asleep. This is the lightest stage of sleep. Your heartbeat slows, breathing becomes more regular, muscles begin to relax. Many people experience sudden muscle jerks, known as hypnic jerks, during this transition. You can still be awakened easily. Stage 2. Light sleep. This stage occupies nearly half of a typical night's sleep. Your body temperature drops. Your heart rate slows further. Brain activity changes as special electrical patterns called sleep spindles appear. Researchers believe these help strengthen learning and memory. Stage 3. Deep sleep. This is often called slow-wave sleep. It's the stage where physical recovery is greatest. Growth hormone is released. Muscles repair themselves. Bones strengthen. The immune system becomes more active. If you've ever been difficult to wake up, you were probably in deep sleep. Children spend more time in deep sleep because their bodies are still growing rapidly. REM sleep. Finally comes REM, rapid eye movement sleep. Although your muscles become temporarily paralyzed to prevent you from acting out dreams, your brain becomes highly active. This is when most vivid dreaming occurs. REM sleep plays a critical role in learning, emotional regulation, creativity, and memory consolidation. Throughout the night, your brain repeats these cycles several times, with REM sleep becoming longer toward the morning. What happens inside your brain during sleep? One of the most remarkable discoveries in recent years is the glymphatic system. Think of it as your brain's cleaning crew. While you're asleep, particularly during deep sleep, fluid flows through brain tissue, washing away waste products that build up during the day. Among these waste products are proteins associated with neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's disease. Researchers are still studying this relationship, but growing evidence suggests that healthy sleep plays an important role in maintaining long-term brain health. Sleep is also when memories are strengthened. Important information is transferred from short-term storage into long-term memory, making learning far more effective. This is why studying all night without sleeping often leads to poorer memory rather than better performance. What happens? When you don't get enough sleep, even a single night of poor sleep affects your body. Reaction times slow, concentration decreases, decision-making becomes less accurate, mood becomes more unstable. After several nights of insufficient sleep, the effects become much more serious. Blood pressure may rise, the immune system weakens, insulin becomes less effective, increasing the risk of type 2 diabetes over time. Appetite hormones become disrupted, making you crave sugary, high-calorie foods. Research has also linked chronic sleep deprivation with obesity, cardiovascular disease, depression, anxiety, and reduced life expectancy. Simply put, sleep affects nearly every organ in the body. How much sleep do you actually need? Sleep needs vary with age. Most healthy adults require 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Teenagers generally need 8 to 10 hours because their brains and bodies are still developing. School-aged children often require 9 to 12 hours, while younger children and infants need even more. Consistently sleeping far less than these recommendations can gradually affect both physical and mental health. Can you catch up on lost sleep? Many people believe they can sleep only 5 hours during the week and recover by sleeping all weekend. Unfortunately, it doesn't work that simply. While extra sleep can help reduce some short-term sleep debt, it cannot completely erase the effects of chronic sleep deprivation. Maintaining a regular sleep schedule is far healthier than repeatedly alternating between too little sleep and long weekend lie-ins. Simple habits for better sleep. Improving sleep doesn't always require medication. Often, small daily habits make the biggest difference. Maintain a consistent bedtime. Reduce screen exposure before sleeping, since blue light can delay melatonin production. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Limit caffeine later in the day. Exercise regularly, but avoid intense workouts immediately before bedtime. And if sleep problems continue for weeks, despite healthy habits, seek advice from a qualified healthcare professional. Final thoughts. Sleep is not time wasted. It's the period when your brain cleans itself, your immune system strengthens, your memories are stored, your hormones rebalance, your muscles recover, and your heart prepares for another day. Every night, your body performs an extraordinary biological process that no medicine, supplement, or technology can fully replace. The better you sleep, the better your brain thinks, your body heals, and your future health becomes. So tonight, instead of seeing sleep as something that steals your time, remember this. Sleep isn't taking time away from your life. It's helping give you more healthy years to live. If you enjoyed this video, let us know in the comments. What's one sleep habit you'd like to improve? And don't forget to subscribe to Curiomedix, where curiosity meets science, for evidence-based healthcare education that helps you understand your body through the power of science.